Transfer Starbucks balance to bank. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer Starbucks money to bank. Now let's get started. Open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.starbucks.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Starbucks. Here on the top right of your screen, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that, or if you do not have an account, then you can also tap on the join now option and now register yourself to Starbucks. I will tap on sign in. You will be asked to enter your login credentials. So go ahead and enter your username or email address and then enter the password and tap on the sign in button. Once you are signed in, go to the My Starbucks Reward tab in the top right of your screen. You will see the option for request cash out. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, enter the amount of money you want to transfer, and if you have not linked any of your debit card or your credit card to your Starbucks account, then make sure to go ahead and link your card. And now select the card or the bank account you want to transfer the money into and then tap on the submit button. You will be notified once the funds has been transferred to your bank account, and this is how you can transfer your Starbucks money to bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.